story of the day because the storm over the NEET examination that continues to dominate the political discourse. Times Now investigation has revealed how another examination, the UGC NET examination, was compromised. Remember, it was none other than the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan himself who confirmed that the NET exam was cancelled because documents were available on the dark web. Now, in the newscast, we also will show you how crucial the NET exam related documents were leaked on Telegram hours before the examination. Times Now's reporter Techi Purandare has now managed to infiltrate in one such Telegram groups where the crucial documents were put out in a zip folder. Personal details of the candidates, their names, their roll numbers, their seating details, their center codes, it was all put up on that Telegram post, and the message that followed with it was that NTA has been hacked. These documents have been leaked a day before the examination that was to be held on the 18th of June. Techi will take you through the details and the documents one by one. Let's first up show you when it comes to the screenshot of the said Telegram group where these papers were leaked. So as far as when it comes to these papers are concerned, the paper leak that is now concerned, we also show you on Plasma on a better understanding exactly when we managed somehow to get to a group of more than 700 subscribers, and there was said to be a pinned message. And that pinned message, whenever it was opened up, it actually gets out a plethora of other messages which goes on to say that the National Testing Agency or the NTA has been hacked. Now, right in this pinned message as well, there were several rounds of messages that were included in it, looking at the situation which also talked about when it comes to the number of candidates, the examination centers, the codes, their roll numbers, everything that was included. Now, this is the net leak truth. What is now being suggested on part of the government of India as well. Why the reason that it has been cancelled? Because there were already doubts that just hours before the examination was to be held, the paper apparently was leaked on Telegram. And this is a Times Now exclusive. It is the attendance sheet that we are putting out here with the candidates and the names and the details. How was it even managed by a person to actually get hold of such kind of an information and actually to post it on Telegram? We are looking at the examination date and time, and clearly goes on to say that it is the 18th of June 2024, the center number and the name that is also mentioned. When we are also looking at, this is the UGC NET June 2024. All the details there that seems to be mentioned. Let's in the meantime also show you when it comes to the truth that we are now picking up when it comes to cyber security experts, what they have to say, because here you can see when it comes to the list of candidates, all of them that has been leaked, the attendance sheets that we are looking at, the roll numbers that we are looking at, and the list goes on. When it comes to the center name also, this is how that they have been going forth when it comes to the paper leak is concerned. This has been the situation so far that is now being talked about as far as this exclusive now that we are picking up.
Again, we see that the international cyber threat actors are using their capabilities to strike the Indian interest and some disruptions. Recently, we see that the pro-Palestinian Indonesian hacker group has struck the NTA website, that is nta.ac.in, in May, and stolen some sensitive information, and along with some documents which were supposed to be used as official documents for internals to conduct the UGC NET examinations. The whole data was spread on Telegram channels, and it was clear that something we are lagging in our cyber security. The government infrastructure, the government portals, and all the critical cyberspace needs a proper safeguard policy to prevent these type of malified intentions.
So as far as the malified intentions are concerned, there are more and more leaks that are now being told about as far as this information that is now concerned. When it comes to the shift, when it comes to the paper, the examination, this is a Times Now exclusive that we are picking up. All of the details when it comes to the NET documents that apparently got leaked were available on Telegram. Now, available on Telegram, the center codes and the shift details as well. You can see when it comes to the exclusive information that we are sharing, all of those details were made available just hours before the examination was to be held. Now, this is another list. These are the details of the students and the candidates as well. The net documents that have been leaked on Telegram. This goes on to say when it comes to the examination date, the shift exactly when it comes to the center. This is in Pudukkottai in Tamil Nadu, the National Testing Agency. Now, when it comes to such secure documents, how was it made available and leaked on Telegram just hours before the examination is a big question mark on the apparent now loops that may have happened when it comes to the National Testing Agency. And that for very matter, we are looking at several changes now within the agency. Some reforms and recommendations are likely to be made very soon. Tetri is with us right now. Tetri, good morning. Congratulations on this big exclusive that you have found, but it only raises more concerns and questions as to how such intricate details were made available on Telegram.
Well, certainly, and that is what the big question is. On one hand, where NTA since day one was saying that the exam is not at all compromised, and in fact, no exam is compromised is what they were saying. But you see the kind of pattern that we are seeing via these documents that we have managed to access. It is on Telegram itself, and these documents reveal that how other exams might have also been compromised, because these documents have very sensational and very sensitive details about the students, not only roll number and the academic, not only roll number and but also it has the name of their father's name, mother's name, the center that they are going to, and in fact the subject that they have opted for their UGC NET exam. So, and in fact apart from that, the other document also shows the sitting arrangement of the student, that where the students opting physics paper will be sitting, where the students of economics will be sitting, where the students of history will be sitting. And in fact we also spoke to education experts where they said that such kind of details are only and only available minutes before the exam, only at the examination center in the hall with the invigilator. And it sounds
absolutely
like this
because
is
if there is a big leak, then it needs to be plugged as soon as possible, because here, when it comes to the future of several lakhs of students that is at stake, where have been putting in all the hard work and for several months altogether when it comes to preparing for an examination. Let's get you another exclusive. This is another document that was apparently leaked on Telegram, another document that reveals the names and the roll numbers of the candidate. All of the personal details of the NET examination candidates of these centers were also compromised. Now, these are when it comes to the roll numbers as well. Another document that was made available was the seating arrangement. Now, this also goes on to show how deep the rot has been and to which level that the examination was compromised when it comes to the crucial details that have been out, even when it comes to messaging applications just hours before the examination. So that has been the sitting plan chart that has also been leaked on Telegram in that zip folder. Now, leaders of the India bloc are stepping up the attack on the government over the examination, especially after the details that have been revealed in this Times Now mega exclusive investigation. There are few opposition leaders who are also calling it as a grave security concern on how intricate details when it comes to a national examination has been compromised to such a level.
निश्चित रूप से ये बहुत बड़ा मामला है और ये लाखों हमारे बेरोजगार नौजवानों के जीवन से जुड़ा हुआ है, लाखों परिवार से जुड़ा हुआ है। और ये उसी तरह का जिस तरह से व्यापम हुआ था, व्यापम में जिस तरह से मेरिट को, प्रतिभा को खरीदा गया और बेचा गया, लोग आत्महत्या किए, उसी तरह उससे भी बड़ा ये मैटर है जो सारे देश के युवाओं को प्रभावित कर रहा है। और जिस तरह का घटनाक्रम हुआ है उसमें निश्चित रूप से लगता है कि इसमें शासन और प्रशासन में बैठे लोगों का हाथ है, सह है, बिना उनके इस तरह का घपला हो नहीं सकता।
जिस तरीके से बिहार की घटनाएं सामने आ रही हैं या गुजरात की घटनाएं सामने आ रही हैं, ये पूरी तरीके से एक योजनाबद्ध तरीके से किया गया कार्य है। इसमें महत्वपूर्ण रोल बीजेपी का है, महत्वपूर्ण रोल आरएसएस का है, क्योंकि जो एनटीए के चेयरमैन थे वो निश्चित तौर पे इनका बीजेपी और आरएसएस से एक महत्वपूर्ण और बड़ा आत्मिक जुड़ाव रहा है। अभी नए चेयरमैन जो बने वो भी आरएसएस के और व्यापम घोटाले के बड़े नजदीकी और दोषी के रूप में जाने गए हैं। हर चीज मतलब कौन सा स्टूडेंट कहाँ बैठेगा, कैसे बैठेगा, किस तरह बैठेगा, यानी कि पहले से ही एनटीए ने दो व्यवस्थाएं चला रखी थी। एक व्यवस्था जो जनता को दिख रही थी, दूसरी व्यवस्था जो पर्चा लीक करके अपने जो लाखों लाख रुपए लेके लोगों के भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ करना था और उन लोगों का भविष्य बनाना था।
It is a security concern, and we had the BJP government tell the court that all the servers are behind a 13-inch concrete wall. It could not be penetrated. That is the level of security the BJP government has been providing to Aadhaar. The BJP is taking everything easily. They think giving sound bites, they think managing the headlines and ensuring that the media does not report on all these things strengthens the security, but it is the other way around.
So on its part, the government of India is already taking steps, especially when it comes to the new NTA DG. The examination dates are likely to be announced very soon. The exams that were cancelled or postponed, and also a 7-member committee that has now been set up to get recommendation when it comes to the possible reforms within the NTA or the national testing agencies. With that, we head into a short break.